जो करना है.
Very good.
Stupid box.
And Anju are here. Fine.
I'm going to buy plants.
Chester. Probably.
If you want to eat even one piece.
Hey guys, welcome back to
Life with the Sikoras.
a very good morning to you all. Just woke up. I had a very long weekend. Got 4 shows in 2 days, and they all were in like 4 parts of Mumbai, different parts. So traveling was an issue, but then it's fine. I reached home late last night, and now woken up fresh. And Chester is, as you all know, was not keeping well, so his medicines have begun, oral medicines, and baby is feeding Chester at the moment. Now the thing is, we have mixed the medicine in his food, but this fellow is so smart. He only had the top part and down part he's not having, and now Pooja is holding him tightly and force feeding him. They not even opening his mouth. Eat.
Eat up. You have to eat. Just like me.
Yeah, it's like Pooja only doesn't want to take medicines. So we had to put medicine in the food and give it to him.
Good boy.
But he's become very active, that's good. Touch wood. Maybe his diaper is coming out.
Chal tu aa.
I'll show him properly, 1 minute.
Chester, you have to eat, Ray. Go remove your diaper, go.
The remote also, diaper. I guess free. Chester? Or who?
Very smart he is. What? You become Michael Jackson or doing moonwalk? Huh?
Chester? Yeah, everybody is watching you. Better behave. Silent हो गया. Medicine sessions still going on.
खाया देख अभी इतना ही अच्छा है. Good boy. No, for whom you are eating medicine? For whom? क्या देख करके रखा है?
हाँ देखना. Chester. There, Coco is calling. Coco, wait for some time. Otherwise, you're going to have
They will
this.
come. How clean. They will clean all
then-
this.
I know that is the reason we're not taking
Chalo.
care. Put them in the
Last.
balcony.
Last. Last.
Chalo. I'll go and make breakfast for everybody now. Rida, you want to help, no? Come. Now it's bathing time for this fellow. Not bathing actually, just wash. You removed or you want me to remove?
Just remove the collar.
Isn't it? It is the collar.
Wash it now.
I have to wash my hand also. ठीक है, चल you continue. Charlie, Coco, Hriday, are you ready to do that? Low flame, okay?
Yes.
Chalo, start.
We need this or this.
I need this.
The chocolate.
Low flame, huh? Very good. Awesome. Nice. Good job. Chalo. Now I'll put in some oil, that later on. No, wait. We're just making normal scrambled eggs for breakfast. But Hriday wants to crack open the egg. I don't know how is he going to do it. Do you know how to do it?
Yes.
Do you know how to do it? How are you going to do that?
So first we'll have to make some kind of like and
Wow, fantastic. Now add double work for me. बंद करिए. Fantastic. ये देख.
What with that?
sorry.
It's okay. You're learning, so it's fine. But now you have to clean it. Wait. Cleaned this, and now I am taking over. Hriday has learned a lot in one day. Now learn from the best. So instead of banging it, yeah, what you can do is maybe you can take a spoon.
Okay.
You crack it using a spoon.
Okay.
Now I need to warm this up a bit. So what you do is you make a crack. You can see the crack,
Yes.
and then open it left and right and then release it.
Okay.
You pressed it hard. You should have opened it like this. You tried to press it hard, and because of that it fell.
Okay.
So since we are making scrambled egg, it didn't matter. So we can just randomly do it. It's fine. Will you get salt and pepper, please? Put salt, little bit, not more. Bas. Who told you to have salt? Scrambled eggs ready. Toasting the bread as well. And the scrambled eggs are ready. Now I'll make for baby and for myself. Baby scrambled egg with chili flakes. And this one is sitting here. These two are here. Hriday is already eating. And are we watching some TV now? Pooja does not like us watching TV and eating. So okay, let's do it without that. I know it's sad.
What is sad? What is sad? While eating, we are supposed to eat, talk, spend quality time with the family, not engross yourself in this stupid box.
3 times a day. We went to watch Stupid Box. इतना पैसा देके Stupid Box को लेके आए.
सकाळी कशा खात होता मॅम? हां कशा खात होता बुड्डू माझा? हां गुड्डा? मॅम खाल्ला. आता काय जोजो करणार? चेस्टर जोजो करतो.
She's scrolling the internet, whereas look at that fellow. Chester, sleeping. And that fellow, look. We're having samosas. This fellow is here. These two are here. Charlie, Cuckoo. And baby, where are you heading?
I'm going to buy plants.
For what?
अरे चाहिए अभी समर्स में अच्छा आता है. बाद में फिर बारिश तक वो खिलेंगे.
उससे अच्छा टमाटर मिर्ची वो सब लेके आना.
लगाने का.
हाँ. I'll also feel like putting water.
I want one tulsi and.
Why you want tulsi?
It's good to have. Mosquitoes नहीं आएगा उससे.
Okay.
So one tulsi and flowers I want. That's it.
So baby and Anju are here finally, and they have got these plants. अरे यार गुलाब क्यों?
क्यों? देखो.
अरे मिलता है ना 10 रुपए में एक है वो.
तभी प्लांट्स आ जाएगा ना घर में एकदम.
वे किधर बैठा है?
जब मन किया तब निकाल के दे देना.
Dada, plants are good. They grow
ठीक है.
ये बहुत मस्त.
ये अच्छा है.
क्या?
वो जो हमने एकदम.
ये अच्छा है.
वो अच्छा दिख रहा है.
बहुत ही सुंदर.
ये भी अच्छा है वाइट. ये क्या है?
तुलसी.
ये कड़ी पत्ता है.
हाँ लास्ट वाला कड़ी पत्ता.
ओह गुड. एक तो चीज अच्छा वाला दिखे. हम लोग का है कि अंजू का है?
नहीं है.
अंजू का भी है कड़ी पत्ता.
ओह अच्छा है. गुड. एटलीस्ट कड़ी पत्ता तो लेके मेरे लिए भी अच्छा है वो.
मैं किसी स्पेशल रिलेटिव के घर पे गई थी. वहाँ पे मैंने कड़ी पत्ते का झाड़ देखा था, तो मैंने सोचा मैं भी लाऊंगी.
Chester, what is Mama doing, Ray? Baby.
Yes.
ट्रेन है ये तो इसमें दे दो.
नहीं. क्या ट्रे नहीं है झूठा.
किधर है ट्रे?
ले ऐसे ही कोई बात नहीं. ऐसे ही दे दे हाथ में. ट्रे वे लेना है.
अरे वो भी ट्रे टाइप ही लग रहा था.
वो चॉपिंग बोर्ड है।
अगर आपको पसंद ना आए तो भी कुछ बोलना मत, आप लो, ठीक है?
ये धमकी थी कि क्या समझ रहे हो? इसको धमकी समझो कि वार्निंग समझो?
क्या थी?
क्या
धमकी थी कि वार्निंग थी?
यस, आपको पसंद नहीं है तो आप फेंक सकते हो, मेरे को बोलना।
कलर तो अच्छा लग रहा है,
कलर देखो कितना हो
अभी टेस्ट पता चलेगा।
ये चेस्टर, ये हैड द टी कैसा है?
अच्छी है।
अच्छा है।
किसने सिखाई?
ना डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि हर रोज बनाओ। हाँ?
ये अच्छी है।
चाय मस्त है।
थैंक यू चेस्टू कम।
मेरे से तो अच्छी बनाई है, मेरे को तो चाय बनाने आती ही नहीं है।
चलो गुड। खाकरा कैसा है? वो मैंने बनाया नहीं बट
खाकरा भी अच्छा है।
गिरनार का अच्छा है ना, देखो अंजुम कल
ये वेनी वेट टू गिरनार। आई वांटेड काजू कतली।
कल गई थी।
काजू कतली क्यों नहीं लेके आए फिर मेरे को?
कल गए थे।
तो कल भी लेके आने चाहिए था ना काजू कतली। Now go and get her for me. After a lot of क्या बोलते हैं nagging. What is this?
अंजू ने अचार दिया है।
ये अचार है? ग्रेवी किधर है अचार का?
नहीं ऐसे
This is wet. This is dry अचार you mean? ओह मेरा ये किधर है? हाँ yes. काजू कतली खोल ना, थोड़ा तो सेवा कर मेरा, ऐसा खिलाने का।
सेवा
हाँ
सेवा करने के दिन गेले भूर गेले कुठे गेले? भूर गेले।
धूर या बूर?
भूर मतलब
भूर?
दूर।
ये ओह नाइस।
आज के दिन में तो सिर्फ 2 पीस खा सकता है, मैं पहले ही बोल रही हूँ।
अभी 2 उसके बाद
बेबी मैं छिपा दूंगी। आई एम काउंटिंग एंड कीपिंग।
but you don't know.
9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 pieces are there.
No, there are 19 pieces. Check properly.
If you want to eat even 1 piece, you have to pay me 2000 rupees.
उससे अच्छा तो मैं बाहर खुद ही जाऊँ खा के आऊँ।
जा चल के जाना, स्कूटी की और गाड़ी की चाबी मेरे पास है, चल के जाना और खा लेना, ठीक है?
You really don't know me.
Go walking.
Chester, see how Mama is. Coco, saw how Mama is? Huh? Charlie, going out. Time for Chester's medicines. Mama's going to give you medicine.
Come
Oh, drinking medicine. Acha, he likes this anyway, na? Come, Bubu, come. Have medicine. Have medicine.
Good, do it. Good. Shit, huh? चलो दुआ दुआ
No, baby.
खाएगा वो, गुड बॉय।
नहीं वो ऊपर से नहीं, उसको थ्रोट में डालना पड़ेगा। वी हैव टू।
ये वाला पीता है वो, डार्लिंग देख।
उसका डायपर भी नीचे आ गया है।
गुड्डू मेरा देखा डाडा पिया।
उसका डायपर ऊपर कर,
ऊपर भी
सोने
है।
दिख रहा है उसका।
नहीं दिख रहा कुछ।
So I'll just go and do the cleaning part. Cleaning the kitchen. The cloth साफ किया है, थोड़ा है किधर भी सुबह का जो सॉल्ट गिरा था एंड ऑल। So you can see all this salt. Wait, I'll show you. You can see salt fallen. क्या क्या प्राउड? सुबह का आज मंडे रे बेबी, मेरा ऑफ है।
सुबह का क्लीनिंग रात को कर रहा है। वाह वाह, वेरी स्मार्ट।
आप तो कर तो रहो ना। See, you should be happy with what you have. something is better than nothing. You should be blessed.
Thank you, God, for sending such an awesome husband in my life. I am so grateful to you.
Why are you looking at?
God, he's humping on.
He got scared for a minute. Reminded me of Conjuring. Chalo, done. Chester and Charlie. Charlie, why are you running away? What is he doing? Nothing he's doing. Charlie, come. What is he doing? Nothing he's doing. Come, Chester. Talk. Go after him. Go after him. Go after Charlie. Go.
Who wants food?
They
Hey,
both.
Chester wants food. Charlie, this food for not for you.
They're coming together. See, see.
These two also like, no? Come, Chester. Baby, Charlie and Coco. Giving, wait, Chester. Wait.
Wait, I give try. It's okay.
Chester, wait. I'll give you.
Coco, no, that's not your food.
Coco ko le, baby.
Yeah, that bonding on that food only thing is your bond.
No. Coco,
Ah.
not for you.
They bond on food only.
Come. I'll give you later, okay?
Gave them already.
Meat I'll give you later. You come here. Come this side.
Food only will bond them.
But they can't eat.
They can't have, but let them come close, let them smell.
In the morning we had mixed medicine, so he was not eating.
Now see.
खाऊं दे. Then later.
अरे बहुत जल्दी खा रहे, very fast.
खाने
No,
दे.
Coco.
ऐसे मत बोल.
See, this is how they come close. They'll get to smell. See. Anytime close they came about. Charlie देख पहले भागता था just because उसको खाना मिल रहा है. क्या है रे? I already eat it. चल, let him eat.
Now after that, after he's done, we'll give him medicine.
Medicine, ठीक है.
Medicine time. You think I should use a dropper for Chester?
We should be getting that. ये ऐसा actually dropper is
We
better.
have
We have
droppers.
तो वही use कर ना.
But I have to sterilize it now because not.
तो आज अभी तो try कर ले
Now
morning.
I'll try if he drinks.
Morning.
Oh, wait, Chester, wait.
He's excited to have it now, no? क्यों रोका उसको?
अरे how he put his tongue in places. मी डुआ Chester. डुआ. पकडल्याशिवाय होतच नाही आमच्या बाबूचं. चला आ करा. देख. Chester. Good boy. Hey my गुड्डू. गुड्डा एकदम गुड्डू. Now this also. डुआ. Good.
Brother is singing.
ये वाला ये कडू है ना. चल. Just do one. You have to drink, Bibu. One. I have to get dropper then. I'll get dropper. Dua.
You need my help now.
Yeah. To open his mouth.
I don't know whether I'll be able to take the recording, but you know when I come, I open your mouth.
Put it in his mouth. Put it. Go.
डायरेक्टली नेक्स्ट टाइम उसको थ्रोट में डाल. फीडर चाहिए. ए पागल हो गए. कोको देख. कड़ू औकात. Chester. Yeah, I know it's not good.
Next time, no baby.
Next time,
We have to use dropper.
dropper only, correct.
What he's doing?
Getting irritated with that taste. कड़ू रहेगा ना वो पूरा. देख. Can't handle it.
No, Chester. I'll give you water. Come. I'll give you water. Come. Give you water. Come.
Charlie, what is happening? Coca. See? We are having dinner and we are watching Young Sheldon. We are starting from the very first episode. Hriday will watch Big Bang Theory once he grows up, when when it's age appropriate. Right now we can show him Young Sheldon. We have come out for a ride. Always nice to come for rides. Baby is riding. Holiday time, so it's good. Look at the moon. You can see. चल मेरे घोड़े, चल मेरे घोड़े, चल मेरे घोड़े, ये जल्दी चल रहे. Tomorrow we have a long day. I have to give my car for servicing and other things as well. We'll keep you updated. Right now we need to go and get the things removed from the car. Lot of things inside. We've come to our car. Oh buddy, I can't sit behind. Why do you torture me? देखते कितना सामान है. दो बैग्स है, बहुत बैग्स है. We'll take the car at the entrance. उधर से निकालते हैं सब सामान and then I'll get it back here. This is all that we got from the car. Tired. Check it out. Now the car is empty.
Now
Sorry,
please, इतना सामान भरना मत गाड़ी
once
में.
it's serviced and all is different. Sure. Hey guys, this is where I end the vlog. Obviously after that we were so tired we couldn't record the sign off, and I'm recording it later on. And we have a long day the next day, so you need to wait for the next vlog to watch in. So asa hota amsa purna divas. Ha video avadla असेल तर like करा, comment करा, share करा आणि आमचं channel subscribe करा. Just to say bye. He's busy. Bye. Say bye. Yes, say bye.